The algorithm is designed to favor creators and pushes their video. That is why you must debunk this myth that you need to post at a particular hour of the day, or you need to post only short, or you need to post long form video. Some of you would even be advised by YouTube gurus to go to your YouTube studio and turn on some certain features. No, these are just myths. Hello guys, welcome to OCHE'S Tech, and in today's video I'm going to expose some secrets why the algorithm is meant to favor you, how the algorithm works, and what you need to do for the algorithm to favor you. Without wasting time, why are these people saying that you need to post at a particular hours, you need to post long form videos or turn on that? They are doing that to get views, to get engagement. These are bait because they absolutely know that you don't have the exact, or you don't have the accurate information. So they are using that as a bait to get engagement. You have to debunk the algorithm myth that you need to post at a particular hours, or post only short, or post long form videos, or turn on some several features before the algorithm pushes your video. The algorithm is designed to favor creators by YouTube. You see, YouTube has an optimized system whereby the algorithm works based on the audience. Yes, based on the audience. And how does the algorithm works? Now, it depends on you, the creators. You are either an existing creator or a new creator, like a new YouTuber. So for the new YouTuber, the algorithm first of all pick your video, understand your video, and distribute your video to a wide range of audience. And it is less for the audience to select, engage by watching your video. Due to the audience retention, engagement, like, based on what they watch, the algorithm can choose to recommend your videos further. So if you post a video as a new creator and there is a lot of engagement based on popular demand, based on what the audience wants, because once you post a video, the algorithm distributes the video widely, and then it is based on the audience engagement the algorithm decides to recommend the video further. But for an existing YouTubers who has already created a YouTube account and has already built some kind of audience or has some subscribers, the algorithm works based on your audience engagement. Let's say you publish a video and your audience don't engage in that video. It tells the algorithm that your video are not too relevant, and that is why your audience are not engaging in your videos, and therefore the algorithm may not recommend your videos to people. The algorithm may not pushes your video. So for existing YouTubers, the algorithm works based on your audience, while for new YouTubers, the algorithm recommend your videos to wide range of audience and works based on how they engaged. So you see the key differences between the new YouTubers and the existing YouTubers, and that is why some persons will say that the moment they get monetized, YouTube doesn't push their videos. YouTube reduce their videos visibility, but before monetization, YouTube pushes their video. They had a lot of views. That is, before monetization, the algorithm is trying to see how it can recommend your videos to wide range of audience and see their reactions. And as those audience react with your videos, engage with your videos, the algorithm recommend them further and you have a lot of views. But now that you are being monetized, the algorithm works based on your existing audience engagement. If your audience engage, the algorithm pushes your videos. How can you make the algorithm to favor you to push your videos? Yes, You can do that by, first of all, focusing on your audience rather than the algorithm. All you need to do first is to have in mind that this algorithm is my audience. You have to substitute the word algorithm for your audience. You have to satisfy your audience. You have to create engaging video where your audience will interact with your video, will engage with your video. So therefore, don't just put your mind on the algorithm not pushing your video, but replace the algorithm with your audience. Like, what can you do to make your audience interact? Which kind of videos are your audience interested in? Why are your audience not engaging in your videos? Consider yourself as the audience, or you can choose somebody to take a look at your video. If you were to be an audience and you see some kind of videos on YouTube, will you click? Will you watch? These are things you put into considerations when creating video or as a creator. So first of all, like I told you, you have to focus on your audience rather than the algorithm. And how do you do that? Substitute your audience for the algorithm. Try to satisfy your audience rather than always placing your mind on algorithm not pushing your video. Secondly, you have to choose carefully a kind of niche that your audience love. You don't just have to jump into YouTube and start creating video or start copying channel. You have to go into niche that you are good in, that you have passion for, that you can be highly innovative, that you can create content that are irresistible to your audience. Don't just jump to anyhow niche because that niche is paying well or because you see your friend doing that. Jump into niche or perform well or select niche because you are good at that, you have passion for it, you are innovative, and you can do better. Thirdly, you have to create an irresistible content. Don't just come and sit down and create boring content that most likely out of 100, only 2 persons may click. Create content that are highly engaging, highly irresistible, that definitely your audience must interact with. And fourthly, you have to keep analyzing your data. You don't just have to keep creating videos like 10 to 20 videos continuously. You have to analyze your data and improve on your content by definitely observing how your content has performed over time. Let's say you publish up to 10 videos and you have to go to your analytics and look at which of these video performs well, which of these video your audience are much more interested in, which of these your videos has much views. You now develop a content strategies around that particular video because it signals that your audience are much more interested in that kind of videos. So analyzing your data is very, very crucial. Don't just come and be posting regularly, posting 20 videos in a row, 30 videos in a row, and all of them having low views. You need to understand what is working, what is trending, what are your audience interested in. So guys, if you have this opinion that you need to post at a particular hours before the algorithm pushes your video, it is a myth and it is a fallacy. The algorithm is ready to pick your video at every point in time. Like I told you, it depends on your audience engagement. You need to realize that the algorithm is meant to favor you. That's first of all one thing you have to bear in mind, because YouTube can't create a platform where they hampers their creators' view. The platform is highly optimized, is highly designed to favor their creators so that their video can perform well. Then secondly, you need to understand how the algorithm works. Like I told you, it depends on your audience engagement, your retention rate. It depends on how your audience interact with your video. And thirdly, you need to debunk the myth that you need to post at a particular hour, or you need to post short, or you need to post long form videos, or you need to turn on some certain features before the algorithm pushes your video. You have to debunk that myth. Then lastly, for the algorithm to favor you, you need to focus on your audience rather than just the algorithm. You need to choose a particular niche that is well researched, that is highly engaging, that your audience will be interested in. Third, you need to create content that are highly irresistible, that your audience must engage, that is well researched, and that is high quality content. And fourth, you need to analyze your data. You have to debunk the myths that you need to post at a particular time before the algorithm pushes your video. So guys, if you've watched it this very moment, congratulations. And if you've learned something, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber here, do well to click the subscribe buttons. And for my existing subscribers, thank you for always supporting me, and have a nice day.